What's good, YouTube? Meta Boy Shaun, and I'm back with another video.
Hey, pop the trunk, open up. I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran, do that shit, yay.
So today we got part 2 of the rating my Instagram followers. Alright, see, now the last video I kind of messed up with a few of you guys, so I'm gonna get y'all out the way first. And I'm gonna finish up these Instagram followers. I know I'm a little late on this video, I apologize for that, but I'm gonna get the last Instagram people out, and I got a few people on Snapchat, and then that's gonna be it for this video. Come on now. Alright, but yeah, so we are about to hop right into this. Okay, so we're gonna start off with Italian Doll. What's goody? I'm gonna go with, I don't know if that's makeup or not, or I don't know. You probably like a 7.2. Yeah, probably like a 7.2. But I mean, you're still cute though. You're still cute. Okay, next we got Serena .m.c. This picture's kind of blurry, not kind of too much to go off on this, but I like your smile. I like your long curly hair. That's definitely a plus. I'll probably go with a 7.3, just 'cause I like your smile, I like your glasses, and you got all that hair. Yeah, about 7.3. Next one is Nutter. Look, you already know. He's fine. And that smile, Lord, that smile. Look at y'all. Look at this. Look at the dental plan. Look at the dental plan. Excellent. Excellent. Look, even her thing says pearls. She knows she fine. That's a 9 for me. That smile, that got me. That's a 9. Fine. You fine. All right. Next we got Zaria. Okay, never mind. She says I'm her Instagram crush. Thank you so much. I did not know that. Wow. I don't know if you want to rate or not. Thank you. Wow, I didn't know that. Okay, next we got Who ZN. Okay, you's actually cute. You's actually pretty cute. I'm liking that slick back. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do mine one day. I wanna do a slick back one day. Is that weird? I hope not. But I wanna do a slick back one day. Somebody need to help me out. When you help me out, please? I wanna do a slick back one day. But yeah, you look cute. I like your skin complexion. You got nice clear skin. You look nice too. I don't know why you look nice. You're friendly. You an 8. I give you an 8. You cute. You cute. I give you that. Yeah, you cute. Next, never mind. Picture wasn't even low. Okay, next we have Ray X Ray. Now listen, I've been following you for kind of a long time. Don't know you at all, but I know you mad cute. All right, you was mad cute. All this hair, I don't know if that's yours. If it is, I apologize, and also if it is, I love it. Like, I'm in love with it. Beautiful. Your skin complexion, your skin tone, it looks nice and healthy. Like, you look edible. Alright, you look edible. You a 9 in my books. You fine. you fine. Alright, yeah. You definitely fine. Okay, next we got Boo.Boppers. Boo Boppers. So, I like the eyes. And you got a tattoo and stuff, and you's real cool. I talk to you, you know, you real cool. You's cute too, and you's funny. I'll probably give you an 8. You like a solid 8 to me. So yeah, you cute though. You's cute. Next we got Sydney Dope. Let's see. I don't think I've ever seen you before. You said you see me, I think, or I look familiar, something like that. But You's pretty cute though. You got them. You got some things on you. I mean, you know, they're. Never mind. I ain't gonna say that. But yeah, you cute. You about an 8. You about a good 8. You's cute though. You's cute. Next we got Kiki. I ain't gonna do it though. Kiki got fans. I've been following you for kind of a good minute too. You's mad cute. You's mad cute, and you know it. Your skin tone, complexion. You got the nose ring. The nose ring. You know what I'm saying? Nose ring, stand up. Nose ring, gay. Nah, I like the nose ring. You mad cute. You know, I just like your vibe. Like your energy on your page is phenomenal. I like it. You got a nice smile. You got the double nose ring, John. That's lit too. I like it. You's mad cute. Like straight up. You's mad cute. You about a solid 9 in my books. Probably a good 9. Maybe even 9.1. You know what I'm saying? But you a 9 though. You up there. You's cute. For sure. You's for sure cute. Next we got Coco Goddess. Okay, now this is kind of a dark picture. I like the vibe in the picture though, but it's like dark. It's kind of hard to reach on this picture in particular. So I'm probably gonna choose a different one, like off the page. Maybe this one. See, I'm liking this one. I'm liking this vibe right here. Even though you got the filter, you got the glasses on. That's real cute. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably give you a good 8, 8.3. I like this vibe right here you give me. It's real cute. He's a cutie. 8.3. Next we have Damie, 1953. My bad. Okay, so first off, I'm loving the hair. I'm loving it. And also your skin tone and complexion, I'm loving it. It's great. Phenomenal. Okay, and this hair, look at this hair. Y'all know I'm a sucker for hair. Y'all just know that I'm a sucker for hair. It's ridiculous. You's mad cute. She even sent me a little video too. She's mad cute. Oh, show me that smile. Okay, damn. Okay. Alright, I wasn't expecting that. Okay, you got more points for that one. You got more points. Yeah, look at the smile, dog. That's tough. She got the hair and the smile. That's tough. Okay. Damn, you probably like a good 8.8 for me. Like, you's cute. You's mad cute. Damn. You's mad cute for real. Next we got Global_Madison. Let's see. So you got the Android life. Shout out to the Androids. Not too much to go off on this picture. I might check something off your page probably. See, I'm liking this one. You look kind of young. You probably are. You don't have really too many pictures that I can really go off of. Okay, definitely look a youngin'. That's cool. And then, you know, that's what it is. You probably a good Sheldon. Maybe a good 7. I think that's respectable. So yeah. We got Shan Lee. Apologize, excuse me. I know you a little bit, so you know I kind of know what you look like in person. You probably get 7.7, honestly, for me. You's a little cutie. Not ugly, you's a little cute. Next we got Deverica. Now Deverica, I know you, so I'm gonna give you a hard time. I'm gonna say you a 5. Nah, it's fine. I ain't gonna do you like that. Now Deverica, you's cute. You little though, like you little too, like little bite. Ain't nothing wrong with that though. Hey, I mess with little bite. You a little bite. He probably you get 8.5, cause you cool. You get 8.5. So yeah, you gotta get 8.5. Okay, I think that is actually all from the gram. Actually, wait. I think there's one more. Okay, that is going to be all from the gram. Now we have a few Snapchat folks. I apologize if this video is too long. Hopefully it's under like 13 minutes or so. I don't want to make it too long. But we got a few Snapchat folks. Let me get to y'all. Let's see. Who do we want to start with? I'm trying to think of who sent me messages on the Snap. Let's see if this thing will hurry up and load. Okay, so I think it starts right here at Naomi, I believe. So Naomi, what it do? All right, so I know you, Naomi. You know you real cool. I rock with you. You know you lit, you dope. You's cute. You lil too. You lil. Ain't nothing wrong with that, but you little. You little. No, you about a good. You was like a solid 8. Like a solid 8 in my books. You real cool though. I rock with you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you about a good 8. Let's see. Next we got, I think Keisha. Keisha, so you go to my school, right? I believe, yes, you do go to my school. I don't know if I've seen you, probably. I don't know. But it's kind of hard to go off this picture right here. So just based off this picture, maybe if you send me a better picture, I can get a better rating on you. But I'm gonna say a 6.7. But if you could send me like a better picture, I can give you a better rating. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Okay, next we have doll.xo. I don't know who this is, but she sent me these. She also promoted her Snap.
Susie on the track.
But you's cute. You's definitely a cutie. You got the big braids. I rock with the braids. That's cute. The filter is like, it's a lot of the filter going on, but you look, you got nice skin. You got lips though. You got big lips. I like that. You got a good 8 point. You got a good 8.3, 8.4. You's cute though. You's a cutie. So yeah. Next we have China. You got China, right? Let's see. So I know you, China, not all that well, but I know you a little bit. I mean, yeah. I mean, I know you. You's cute though. You're cute. I'm liking this picture. I'm liking the hair. I don't know if that's like blonde-ish gray. Help me out if I'm wrong. But I like the picture. I know you a little bit, so I know what you look like. You know what I'm saying? You's cute. I'll probably give you like a 7. Nah, I'm just playing. I'll probably give you like a. Because you are little too. I like the little ones. I'll probably give you like an 8 point. I give like an 8.8. I think that's, yeah, like an 8.8. So yeah. Who else we got on Snap? Do we have anybody else on Snap? Vanessa. I think Vanessa was the last one. I think. Yeah, I think Vanessa was the last one. Vanessa, I know you a little bit too. You real cool. You funny. You know, you just a youngin' though. Just a youngin'. So that hurts. You got a nose ring. I didn't know you got a nose ring. That must be new. Shout out to the nose ring gang. So Vanessa, you probably gonna get a good 8.2. Cause you cool, you funny, you cute though. You just young. But yeah, Vanessa, that is you. Actually, nope. I think we have one more. And that's Jada, I believe. I gotta scroll all to see your little. Don't pay attention to all this. Okay. Don't pay attention to all this. All right. So Jada, you probably. I mean, I like this picture, but you probably could send me something a little bit better, like show your face more. You know what I mean? But I like this picture too. You's mad cute. You know it. You know what? You got them. You had them braces on. You got them off. You got the smile. Woo! And the hair. Lord. I'm a sucker for hair, smiles, skin. Like, man, those are my weaknesses. I'm a sucker for that stuff. But Jada, you know you cute. You mad cute. You like a 9 for real. You just cute. You mad cute. And you got all the things I love. You's a cutie. But yeah, I think that is going to be it for the ratings. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you guys want any more rates, story times, hair videos, whatever, let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you watching this video. I appreciate you sticking this long in this video. If you stayed this long, shout out to you. I appreciate you. Give yourself a round of applause because you lit. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Also, that helps me a lot. Comment anything you want. Hit that subscribe button, please. Hit that notification bell because YouTube be tripping, yo. YouTube really be tripping on with notifications. Like a lot of y'all don't get my videos. So make sure notifications are turned on. Make sure that bell is lit up, please. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. It's your boy, Metal Boy Shaun. And we out.
When they come for you, I will shield your name. I will field their questions. I will feel your pain. No one can judge. They don't know.